Hey guys, Corey, the House of Vacuums. So I wanted to share with you a special delivery we got directly from the manufacturer this morning, and we're going to be talking floor brushes. So floor brushes are used, of course, for all things bare flooring. So let's pull one of these out. And before I start talking about this tool, this is our go-to tool. It's 13 inches there, give or take. We have used this tool for many years. It is a central vacuum tool, and we have adapters so this can work with almost every other manufacturer on the market. It's going to give you cutouts so the dirt can go through, horsehair so it's not going to scratch, wide opening under it, solid tool. When it gets dirty, you can even throw it in the sink and wash it. Sold this for many years and will continue to do so. This new tool is made by this same company, but when we clean, we like to make it easy and efficient. And if you notice how wide this tool is compared to this one. This is their new 18-inch bare floor tool. You have large channel openings so the dirt can channel it through instead of snow plowing. Soft horsehair, rubber-coated wheels, ABS durable plastic. But you notice this blue button here on top. Give this a press, comes off, and now you have a combo tool that you can run over a rug real quick, and then this will then snap back into place, locks in, and then you can continue cleaning. So we'll show this real quick. Put this on our telescopic wand. Still lays totally flat. Still gives you that swivel. Still, you can get under everything, very low profile. And then you give this a click, run over your rugs, and then pop this back on, and it will slide back in. And it is a channel lock, so it's not going to fall out. Very easy and efficient, and 18 inches. So we are happy to have these in the showroom now. And we're happy to have them for a special project coming up. So if you are in the market for one, you've got Central Vacuum at home, send us a DM and we'll get one out to you.